Well, this is week 30, and Shadow ain't doing no type of twitching and stuff, as you can see when he eating. He's just sitting up there just eating. Took a while, but he's there. Please know he's still a little nervous about stuff, but nah, he watched the very first video. You know he'll never do this. He'd have been gone. He ate some food today. He usually don't really be eating because Courtney done spoiled him to a point of dark matter. Giving him all sorts of just weird things. But I guess we've been just not playing chicken and broth.
It's not weird.
Now he was hungry this morning and he ate. Because that bowl would just be filled up.
Good boy.
Mm-hmm. What you doing standing up there?
Waiting on you.
You ain't gotta wait. You can go ahead. Go by. He's really a type of dog that just stares. Uh-oh, he came in the kitchen. He just adores Courtney. That's like his play toy or something. Courtney, your play toy? How do you feel about that, Courtney?
I'm not your play toy.
Uh-oh, he went to eat some more. He was waiting on Courtney like, you got something for me up in this piece?
Nope. Yeah, I do.
I'm telling y'all, I'm serious. He have not been messing with that kibble like that. He just been waiting and trying to eat the crumbs that fall from my plates. I feed him dog bones when I eat chicken. I said dog bones. Chicken bones. You know, whenever we eat chicken, I throw him some bones. That's real talk. And it be like that. Sometimes I eat some chicken just to give him some bones. He eating it all, Courtney. I told you gotta stop doing what you're doing. Just eventually he'll get hungry enough where he's gonna say, man, I'm gonna eat all this. Did you put him some food in there this morning? Mm-hmm. Did you put him some broth in there this morning? So he eating regular kibble.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Broken. Now he's back to reality, y'all. I mean, he was just not eating. I know it looked like he ain't missed a meal, y'all, but I'm telling you, he has not been eating. Well, I guess he's gone. All right. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to his channel. Oh, there you go. He's back. What's up, Shadow? What's going on, man? What? Where's he going over there? Okay.